Today, I want to share some advice for married women, especially after experiencing divorce myself. 2 years ago, I finally decided to divorce after discovering my husband's affair. We had tried to make it work for months, even after multiple heated arguments where divorce was mentioned. But we always hesitated, thinking about the kids and our parents. I believed that if I just endured a little longer, things might improve. Sadly, trust was gone, and without it, staying together felt meaningless. When I heard his phone ring, I would immediately wonder if it was her. I'd get anxious when he came home late, thinking he was with her again. These constant doubts led to endless arguments that drained us both emotionally and physically. It wasn't good for our child either, growing up in such a toxic environment. So, we decided to part ways peacefully. At first, I didn't feel devastated, but after some time, the pain hit me, and I felt lost. I thought I might never move on. Yet, 2 years later, I'm sitting here writing, almost as if it's someone else's story. Time has a way of healing wounds. During my marriage, I had feared divorce. I thought my life would only get worse. But once I made the decision, I realized it wasn't as difficult as I'd imagined. Life didn't collapse, and I survived. I struggled as a single mother, working odd jobs, but I stopped complaining. I chose to be the one who changed my life. In the end, I learned that growth is about taking responsibility for your own life. We must be brave enough to walk alone at times. Through the pain and loneliness, we can emerge stronger, ready for a new beginning. Now, I live with more freedom, clarity, and joy. I no longer have to worry about arguments or deceit. I focus on myself, enjoy new experiences, and find peace in my own company. Life isn't perfect, but it's mine, and I own it. For women going through a similar journey, here are some tips. Be decisive about your marriage. If it's draining you, don't be afraid to let go. Know what you want. Be clear about your goals and what you desire in life. Let go of the victim mentality. Take responsibility for your choices and growth. Don't rely on anyone. Independence gives you strength and freedom. Be tough on yourself. Keep growing, and focus on your own empowerment. Divorce isn't the end, but a chance for a new beginning. And always remember, no matter who comes or goes, you are the one who matters most.